What you are about to witness is not just a repair. It's the astonishing resurrection of twisted metal and a forgotten soul. From these ruins, a masterpiece is waiting to be unveiled. A story of total transformation begins now. Every broken piece holds a secret to its rebirth. Stay with us to see the impossible become reality. The process begins with a careful deconstruction. Each screw removed is a step away from a painful past. The scars of the old life are stripped away, one by one. Beneath the damage lies the true frame, the resilient skeleton. This is a delicate dance of disassembly, revealing the core of the machine. The intricate heart of the beast is now exposed. A complex network of engineering waiting for renewal. Every component is methodically removed. Soon, only the essence will remain. And the slow, deliberate process of recreation can begin. The first pieces of a new future are put into place. A testament to patience and precision. As the form takes shape, a new hope emerges. The promise of what is to come. A complete restoration demands a deeper look. We must now venture into the very heart of the engine. Here, precision is everything. Each gear and gasket tells a story of journeys past. Collaboration is key when dealing with such complexity. The hidden pathways of power are uncovered. Meticulous hands work to understand every detail. No imperfection can be overlooked. The framework is slowly laid bare. Even the foundations must be removed and inspected. Now, the purification begins. Old grit and grime are stripped away to reveal the raw metal. Deep within the engine's core, every component is inspected for the coming revival. This is where the machine's true soul resides. The inner sanctum is carefully dismantled. A silent, focused effort to prepare for a new life. Each part is cleansed, erasing the memories of the road. Layer by layer, the engine is deconstructed. Now completely disassembled, its potential is limitless. The examination is tactile, a search for hidden flaws. The transformative process continues with a thorough cleansing. With patience, the true beauty of the mechanics is revealed. Years of accumulated grime are washed away. A baptism by fire and water, making all things new. The reassembly begins with a perfect seal, a promise of integrity. The pistons, the engine's driving force, are set in place. The complex timing of the valves is meticulously calibrated. This is a symphony of moving parts, and each must be perfect. On the workbench, the future slowly takes shape. The nervous system of wires and connectors is integrated. Meanwhile, the outer shell requires its own form of healing. The surface is prepared, smoothed for a new skin. Every imperfection is painstakingly erased. A flawless canvas is prepared. And now, the first coat of a new identity. The white paint signifies a clean slate, a new beginning. Each part is given the same transformative treatment. The steady hand of an artist ensures a perfect finish. The pieces now rest, curing into their final form. A vision in white, ready for the next chapter. But the restoration is a multi-layered process. Other components still bear the deep scars of the past. Damaged sections must be carefully A special compound is used to sculpt a new surface. The art of this restoration lies in blending the old with the new, sanding and shaping until no trace of the repair remains. The same meticulous care is applied to every panel. It is a slow, meditative process demanding complete focus. The final smoothing prepares a surface for its new color. Each piece is brought to a state of perfection. Consistency is the hallmark of a master craftsman. The chosen hue is mixed, a steely gray for the reborn machine. The professional spray gun ensures an even, flawless coat. The transformation under the paint is dramatic. All signs of previous damage have vanished. After painting, a high-gloss finish is achieved through polishing. This brings out the depth and brilliance of the new paint. The reflection tells a story of perfection achieved. Like jewels, the finished parts await assembly. A stunning result born from dedication and skill. The painting process is an art form in itself. Each pass of the spray gun builds upon the last, creating a uniform surface on complex shapes requires immense skill. No angle is left untouched. The fine mist of paint settles, creating a perfect skin. From the rear fender to the main fairings, every piece received the same level of attention. The larger body panels present a unique challenge. A steady sweeping motion is crucial. The final layer of gray is applied. The foundation is now complete. Next, the core components are coated in a deep, resilient black. The wheels receive a brilliant white base coat. Followed by a vibrant, fiery red accent. Even the smallest mechanical parts are refinished. The suspension spring is reborn in matching red. The vision is now complete, a stunning palette of colors, a bold and aggressive new look. the culmination of countless hours of work. Ready to be reassembled into a work of art. The final phase begins, the grand assembly. New high-performance disc brakes are prepared. They are carefully mounted to the striking red wheels. A perfect fit, ensuring safety and performance. Each bolt is torqued to precise specifications. The skeleton of the bike, the frame, is prepped. The newly finished wheels are married to the chassis. The reborn engine is carefully guided back into its home. The drivetrain is reconnected. Controls are installed, linking rider to machine. The black subframe is lowered into position. The front suspension forks are installed. The handlebars, the rider's point of command, are secured. The sleek black exhaust system is attached. Slowly, the machine is taking its final, breathtaking form. A fusion of black, red, and silver. A truly custom creation emerges. The freshly painted bodywork is now ready. The powerful front brake calipers are mounted, and the tail light is wired into place. The final touches bring the project to its climax. The stunning body panels are carefully aligned and secured. The headlight assembly, the eyes of the beast, is reinstated. The final seal of its new identity, custom decals. Each one is applied with precision, adding a layer of personality. The iconic Suzuki brand marks its heritage. A final check, a last polish. The dashboard flickers to life. The machine is awake. Reborn from the ashes, it is ready for its first journey. Through the rain, it rides again, a testament to an incredible transformation. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel, Michael Restoration, for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to add commentary. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.